Was there anything that was surprising about using it? Something that you didn't expect? Was it better than you expected?
Yes, no, I thought it was really quick to do. Like, I thought it would take more time to like get the glitter on, or like it's hard to like combine the colours or something. It's so easy, it takes literally no time. So it's great.
So do you have any comments? Do you want to talk about what the process was like? How did you pick which design you liked?
To be honest, no, I went for the bigger ones because I thought it's easy to like kind of colour them in, and so like placing the smaller pieces and kind of like a collage. But it's also because I couldn't probably see the glue kind of thing.
Makes sense.
So yeah.
So overall, what did you?
Overall, I think it's a really good idea. You can develop it with like lots of different things, which is great, so it doesn't get boring. And like if you get into it, you can always like keep on buying stuff or like adding stuff to it, kind of thing. And it's good how you can like put it basically on anything, which is like fun. Yeah.
Is this something you can see yourself doing with your friends or your relatives or just by yourself?
Yes, probably more with my like younger cousins or something for fun.